encoders, uh, this internal connector on the encoder is connected to the this kind of connector over the motor body. So many a times the encoder is healthy, the motor is healthy. What you need is only the internal cable, motor body. So many a times you need a cable like this. This is called inside motor cable. These are specialized hidden end cables. Here, this encoder, this connector suits the encoder, and it is fitted here like this. And then there is a short cable, and this is generally an M23 connector with a specific flange size. You can mention the flange size while ordering because the pitch varies. So once we know the flange size and which motor it is, which connector it is, we can supply you this kind of a cable. So these are not custom made. Yes, all manufacturer specific. It depends on the specific motor manufacturer. The pin configurations are different, but this side, this is all the same for all hidden hand controller. Here the pins might differ because of the reference pin. The other pins may differ. So we can supply you, talk to us, tell us which motor you are using, which encoder it is fitted with, and we can supply you this cable. Or if you need the external motor cable, that also we have available. Or suppose this kind of a cable where sometimes they are open to, this is an original equipment manufacturer cable. So that way, or we can supply you open wire cables that you can solder or crimp onto your own M23 connector. There are cables situations where your M23 connector is good. What you need is only a cable like this. This one fits inside here, and these are open wire ends. This you can fix onto your this kind of motor connector here directly, that way. Or many a times in elevator industry, you need a very long cable that goes directly from encoder to the drive. Then we can supply you cable like this. It is a 10-meter cable this way, and this one will go directly to the panel. 10 meter, 20 meter, like that, depends what you are looking for. We can supply you different configurations. This is one kind of cable, and this is another. So depending on what you are looking for, you cannot. These generally you cannot manufacture it in-house, because this specific connector are very special. The crimping pins are very special, and the pitch is so close that manufacturing it one-off is not viable, and you always end up compromising quality. So that is better to buy it factory built cables. We have factory built cables available right here in Ajman. If you need a quantity, we can arrange it at a very short time. We have stock available in Delhi also, in Coimbatore also we have stock available. We have stock right here in Ajman that can be delivered anywhere in UAE. You can either send somebody to collect from Ajman, or we deliver next day. If you are in other country like Saudi, or wherein 2 days is what UPS takes. To Oman is next day delivery. Like that, if you need any cable, just share with us your motor configuration. We would figure out which cable is needed. And or you can, if you suspect the cable, then also we encourage customer not to order directly cable. We can check the signal here. This is plugged here, and we check the signals here. If the signals are coming good, this encoder cable is good. That way, we always encourage customer to get the encoder cables, encoders, drives, motors tested first before waiting for long weeks just to get the encoder, new encoder ordered takes time. So first make sure that you really need it. And when we have facility right here to check your cables, check your encoder, check the health of your encoder signals, you can first really make sure that you really need these. Then wait. Or if we have it in stock, you can take it right away. But generally speaking, people just keep waiting. They have ordered the cable. Now the cable comes and they find out, oh, the encoder itself is faulty. So that way it is not a very good optimum use of resources. So first make sure by sending the encoder to us, we check the encoder, we check its health, we check the cable, we check its health, and we validate it. Yes, the encoder is faulty, or the encoder is good, cable is faulty, or the cable is good, encoder is faulty, whatever. So that is specific thing you can order. And you don't have to buy the spare necessarily from us. You can buy it from anywhere you like. You bring the encoder in, you bring the cable in, we will install it. You bring the cable in, we will do the crimping, soldering, all this kind of service work you can entrust to us. That is very simple. So if you need any service support, send us a WhatsApp with all the pictures and other details. We would see how best to support you. We are available. We can support you with spare part. We can support you with services. We can support you with memory reading, documentation, anything. We have a lot of equipments, we have the expertise, we have the experience, and we are here to help you run your machines. So you are welcome. Contact us whenever you need.